Hi there, my name's Brad Camp with Istockhomes, and in this home here, it's actually a rental property, and the floor was really beat up. I told the customer that they should look at getting it properly sanded down and refinished, but since it was a rental property, let's see if we could make it look okay, acceptable, and
I assume you want
safe for
audio.
the new tenants coming in. So this floor was beat up enough that you could easily get slivers, and you can see
Very
a lot
well.
of dark areas in the floor, which were worn out. So what I did for them is I cleaned the floor, not just mopped it, but gave it a good cleaning, and condition the wood after that. So there's a product called wood conditioner, and what that does is it'll take the open grain and seal it up without changing the color of the wood, because the customer didn't want to go darker. And with that, I did the conditioning, and then I went, the conditioner's latex, so a water-based product, and then I did a water-based stain over top to, I sanded the floor, just lightly scuffed it up with the sander, and then I stained the entire floor, sort of a reddish, but again, a latex stain. So all it really did was even out some of the floor. Some of the gray disappeared, and it just sort of helped refresh the floor a bit. And then I went with Varathane Nano Defense. And this is a satin finish, I believe. You'll see the can at the end. And there you go. Premium floor. That was actually a gloss that we did, a different room. But for here, we went with a satin finish, and it brought the floor back to life. And like I told the customer, all the characters still there, so discoloration, and we got rid of some of the roughness with hand brushing 2 coats, but it was a really inexpensive job. Basically, $400 for the materials, because up here it's almost $200 a gallon, but the rest is just a little bit of blood, sweat, and tears, I guess you call it, some elbow grease, and we should get another couple years out of the floor without a problem. And it added a whole pile of value to the house, having a floor that you could sort of walk on, dance on, and yeah. So the finished product the customer was happy with, and so were the tenants. Anyways, if you want to give it a shot, you can't really do a whole lot of damage to a hardwood floor. The worst you can do is completely neglect it, and you want to make sure the floor is clean and not waxy. And then I told the customer, don't go putting on wax finishes to try and keep the floor up. Just let it go, wash it with water, and then when the tenants move out, or a year from now, put on another coat of the same product, and you're good to go. Anyways, that's sort of, helping a hardwood floor survive over throwing over a carpet and, letting that soak up dirt. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can contact myself at Istockhomes. And yeah, good luck with fixing up houses and renovating and making some money. Anyways, take care. Once again, I'm Brad Camp, and with Istockhomes.